curve C has the equation y equals x plus 3 times x minus 8, all divided by x, where x is greater than 0. I need to find dy by dx in its simplest form. So I need to differentiate this. Now, the way it's written at the moment, I can't differentiate it, so I'm going to have to do some simplification first. First thing I'm going to do is expand the brackets on the numerator. So I've got x times x is x squared. I've got the x times the minus 8 is minus 8x. The 3 times the x is 3x. And the 3 times the minus 8 is minus 24. We can then collect up the like terms in the middle here to get minus 5x. And now each of these terms is going to get divided by the x from the denominator. The x squared divided by the x will cancel out. The x's here will cancel out. So this is just going to leave me with x minus 5. And then in order to differentiate the 24 over x, I'm going to rewrite that as 24x to the power minus 1. Just taking that x and moving it up to the numerator with a negative power. Now we can differentiate this. So we've got, let's move that over here. So differentiating y with respect to x. When I differentiate the x, I just get 1. When I differentiate the minus 5, that's going to become 0 because it's a constant. Then multiplying the minus 24 by minus 1 will give me a plus 24. And taking 1 away from the power, minus 1 take away 1 is minus 2. So we get 1 plus 24x to the power minus 2. Or if I wanted to, I could rewrite that as 1 plus 24 over x squared. Either of those is fine. Part B says find an equation of the tangent to C at the point where x equals 2. So tangent is a straight line, y equals mx plus c. And the tangent is going to have the same gradient as the curve when x equals 2. So if I take 2 and substitute that into my gradient function here, that's going to tell me the gradient of the curve at that point. And therefore that will be also the gradient of the tangent at that point. So 1 plus 24 over x squared, 1 plus 24 over 2 squared. It's 1 plus 24 over 4, which is 7. So the gradient of my tangent is 7. So I can say y equals 7x plus c. I now need to know a coordinate that the tangent passes through so I can work out my y-intercept. Well, I know it's going through the point when x equals 2. I just need to know what the y-coordinate is at that point. So if I substitute 2 into my original function up here, that's going to tell me the y-coordinate when x equals 2. So let's do that. If I put 2 here, here, and here, I get 5 times minus 6 over 2, which is minus 15. So when x is 2, y is minus 15. And I can substitute that in here. And I find that c is minus 29. Therefore, the equation of the tangent at x equals 2 is y equals 7x minus 29.